How to use Finviz for crypto. Follow my instructions. First, go to finviz.com and click on the Crypto tab from the top menu. This will take you directly to the Finviz crypto dashboard where you can see live charts and prices of major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, USD, Ethereum, ETHUSD, Solana, Sol USD, and many others. Each box represents a different crypto pair with real-time price, percentage change, and a small performance chart. If you hover your mouse over any of these boxes like ETH, USD, a pop-up chart will appear showing a more detailed candlestick chart for that coin. At the top right, you can switch between different time frames such as 5-minute, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly views. This is helpful for quickly spotting trends or price movements across time. To dive deeper, you can click on any crypto box, and it will open a larger chart with full price history and volume. You can study candlestick patterns and zoom in for short-term or long-term analysis, just like with stock charts in Finviz. Even though there are no filters for crypto like in the stock screener, this dashboard is super useful for tracking and comparing performance across multiple cryptocurrencies, all in one place. Thanks for watching.